Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir. My topic for today is all about agricultural development and rural development. When you say agricultural development, it talks about the development in agriculture or agricultural sector. Then rural development means that the development in the rural areas, like for example, the Lake Cebu, Tiboli, that is the example of rural areas. Then agriculture, it is the major source of income and livelihood in the Philippines. This statement says that our country, the Philippines, is have an income in agricultural sector. Then most of our earnings are came from foreign exchange. That means that foreign exchange, big sabihin may export tayo ng product. The product that we export is the sugar, rice, fruits. The example of fruits that we export is banana because there are many banana plantation in the Philippines. Then the pineapple. We export pineapple in other countries and other raw materials. Like for example, the fibers, the abaca, that product is what we export. Then since our country is an agricultural economy, rural development is focused mostly in agricultural development. Kaya gusto nila mas mag-focus sa agricultural development kaya hindi tayo makakuha ng foreign exchange kung wala tayong product na gina-export sa ibang bansa. Then, the tenants were given lands. This action of the government is to eradicate the poverty in the Philippines. There is an example of rural development programs, the programs that given to us by the government. Number one is Agrarian Reform Program, which includes promotion of compact farming and resettlement scheme. This means that Agrarian Reform Program, the compact farming, maliit lang siya na area na kung saan doon sila tatanim ng mga limang klase ng products na pare-pareho na mabilis lang na anihin para mas mabilis naman ang income. Then ang number two is Integrated Area Development Project, which are focused toward the development in underdeveloped region. Focus sila sa integrated development area. Like for example, the underdeveloped regions is the Cagayan Valley, Bicol, Samar, Zamboanga, Lanao, Mindoro, and other depressed area or other suppressed area. Then number three is the Small Medium Scale Industrial Project. Nagbibigay din sila ng mga projects sa small medium ng mga farmers na scale industrial project na para mas iwas ang lugi. Number 4 is communal type infrastructure like irrigation. Communal type daw infrastructure, irrigation, ng NIA, yan bigay ng government sa atin. Further, and the farm market. And pag sinabing infrastructure nga project, ibig sabihin yung mga daanan, farm to market road, farm to school road, na mas madali ang access ng product ng farmers na mapunta sa market. The number 5 is Rural Health Unit. Rural Health Unit, ibig sabihin na bigay din ang government na project na merong easy to madaling lapitan. Halimbawa, magkasakit ang mga farmers, pwede silang punta sa Rural Health Unit. Maituro sa kanila kung paano ba magkasakit sila. Na first basic ng health. Diba na kung sa non-economic is the health, nasali siya doon. Sabihin, nag-focus din ang government sa health ng mga farmers. Then number 6 is artesian wells and the spring. Kung saan, artesian wells, pwede siyang balloon or mga springs kung saan pwede makakuha ng tubig ang access ang farmers na libre at mas mabilis. Then number 7 is rural electrification, telecommunication services, and utilization of rural-oriented energy source. Ibig sabihin, sa rural area, kailangan electricity. Then communication, para mas possible na mas mabilis ang access ng product nila papunta sa market. Then ang number 8 is fishing resources management. Sa rural areas, meron naman mga lake. Nagbibigay ang government ng tulong para sa kanila para mas makadagdag sa income nila, hindi lang sa farming, through livelihood programs and fisheries. Then, ang number 9 is Kilusang Bayan Cooperative. Merong kooperatiba na para sa mga farmers. Tumutulong siya para makautang sila kung mas maliit ang interest. Then number 10 is the Human Settlement Program. It's the Human Settlement Program. Then number 11 is Export Crop Development Program. Meron tayong cooperative or crop development na para kung gusto ng farmers na magtaas ng level, gusto nila ang product nila ilabas sa ibang bansa, mas maganda, mas malaking income nila. Merong government, may tulong ang government para doon. Ang number 12 is Livestock, Poultry, and Dairy Programs. Meron naman binibigay ang government rin ng mga dairy programs para sa mga small scale na mga agriculturists natin or mga farmers. Then, nutrition program. Kailangan din ng mga farmers na nutrition para mas farming sila into farming. Then number 14 is other such as community development like family planning. Siyempre, mas marami kang anak, mas marami kang papakainin, mas hirap ang buhay mo. Tuturuan sila dito ng family planning, rural youth development program na para sa mga youth, para mas matulungan sila paano magtaas ang kalidad ng kanilang buhay. And that's all. Our report ends like that. And thank you for listening.